If you have fever and cough,
was accidentally exposed to retrovirus ALZ-113, an Alzheimer's trial drug.
The source of the virus was traced back to drug testing done at Gensys Laboratories in San Francisco.
Toll ranging from 5 million to as many as 150 million in the next 6 to 8 years.
Where the government is. Of anything resembling civilian.
There won't be anyone left. Put your guns down.
You can't be serious.
Do it.
Scared, I didn't know what to do.
Jesus Christ. How many were there?
There were a lot.
He could have killed us. He didn't.
Maybe he kept us alive so they could follow us.
Exactly what you think you saw or heard. But you have to calm down, okay? Not a word of this back at the colony, you understand me?
Future. Family.
The National Guard, we have it all. That dam up there was the answer. So that we can start to rebuild.
That was a great speech. Yeah, there's not that many of us left. We can't afford any more casualties. Listen to me. Give me 3 days. Let me talk to him. If it doesn't work, then...
3 days. You're not back in 3 days. We're going up there, and we're going to kill every last one of them.
I wouldn't be here unless it was... Okay. If I could just show you, then you'll understand.
This dam working, then we have a shot at restoring limited power.
Lots. Yes. Allow us, let us do our work here. This is your home. And I don't want to take it away from you, I promise. That's the one condition.
What does that mean?
You can stay. Human work!
Caesar loved humans more than apes. Put apes in danger. Forgive me.
Now this is the good stuff.
Oh, hey. Oh, you want a drink, fucker? I'll give some.
Hey, okay, all right.
What is it? What happened?
Humans! Kill Caesar! Must attack human city! Fight back!
What is it? The apes attacked the armory, sir.
Keep them off the wall!
We are survivors! Get through these doors! They are animals! We will push them back!
There! California Street!
It's down here!
Malcolm!
Get in the truck.
Right here. There's a surgical kit back at the place, but that's...
I'll go. He's the only one that can stop this. He's alive. How is it?
Caesar. We need to do this now.
It's gonna be okay.
Must do something to stop them.
They need to get to the tower without being seen. I'm gonna take them through the subway. Stairs, take the stairs. Then we'll bring you out and up onto the street, okay? Go.
But I'm coming out! Don't shoot!
Don't worry. We're gonna turn all this around.
5-pound blocks. We just started setting them.
Apes, follow. Go back now.
I'm sorry, but I can't let you do this. We need to give him a chance.
You're fucking mad.
No, I've seen things. I've seen the way they are.
Sit down!
They're coming. Now we make contact to military base up north. You think stopping me will matter?
They don't want a war.
They're animals! They attacked us!
Travis! What are you doing?
No!
You're not safe here. They made contact. All the people are coming.
You must go. Started war.
I thought we had a chance.
Танд видео таалагдсан бол лайк, subscribe дарж дэмжээрэй.